Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to video tutorials. Today I'll be dropping a video with respect to this question asked by my esteemed viewers and subscribers. So this is the questions and let's see how we're going to go about it. So this is the question. Says I have a dog coin in my Bybit account, and I'm a newbie and I don't know my way around. But I noticed that my coin goes up and down. That is, it fluctuates and move with the market. What do I do to make it stable? All you just need to do is to convert it to a stable coin, which is USDT. Let's quickly dive into that to see. So we're going to look at how to convert from one coin to another. How to convert, to be specific, we're going to look at how to convert from dogs to USDT on Bybit. So all you just need to do is to click on your assets and navigate yourself to this very interface and you'll see a convert. All right, so if you see a convert, the next thing that you just need to do is to click on it. If you click on it, you're gonna going to see something of this very nature. Now is showing you BTC and USDT. So the only thing you're gonna going to use is that you're gonna going to use those little arrows. All right, this little arrow. If you click on this little arrow, it will display a lot of coins for you to choose the very coin you want. So I've seen we are doing this. If this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay. So you click on this arrow, and we're going to search for a particular coin that we're looking for, which is called dogs. Okay. So we're going to convert between dogs and USDT. Right. So if you just come to this place, all you just need to do is to click on mask is to click on max. So the moment you click on max, all the available coin will be converted. Okay, will be converted. And the minimum dogs you need is 787. I think it's 1,000 also. Okay, you're going to click on the max. Your volume of the dogs will now appear here. If you have 100 to appear here, and its equivalent to appear here as well. Okay, its equivalent will appear there as well. And the next thing you're just going to do is to click on convert. Right, so click on convert, and the moment you click on convert, this coin will be converted to what? To USDT. So it will be converted to USDT. All right, it's very simple, right? So the second way you can do this is by trading it. Okay, how do you trade it? Just going to go to your sports. You understand? You will go to your sports. If you go to your sports, if you go to your sport, the next thing you're just going to do is to search for this dog coin. Click on here. Click on here to search for the Doge coin. Dog for the dogs. Sorry, it's not Doge, dogs. So you're gonna come to this place to search for dogs. Alright. If you search for dogs, you're gonna to click on the dogs. If you click on the dogs, then you're going to use these two buttons, right? But what we are going to use here is the first button, which is the buy button. No, sorry, you're going to sell it, yeah, which is the sell button. You're going to click on the sell button. Is this will now happen between the USDT and the dogs. You see, dogs slash what slash USDT, dogs slash USDT. So the number total of the dogs you have will now be appearing here. And as you are selling the dogs, its equivalent will now be appearing here as well. But the most simplest way is to draw this to this place. So that you don't stress yourself. Just draw this to this place, and everything will appear here. Then you're just going to click on sell dogs, and you set the dogs. The moment you set the dogs, you come and click on this buy. If you click on the buy, then your USDT in equivalent will now be appearing here. It's very simple. So your money will now be stable, and there will be no more fluctuation. All right. So this brings me to the end of this very video. If, if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.